Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have a video that was requested by several of you, or like I asked if you were interested in it and you guys said yes, and that is a tour of my veggie garden. This is the first time I've ever done raised beds or a garden to this scale, so I am learning and I'm gonna bring you along with part of the journey. Okay, so here is an overview. We're letting our actual grass just go wild. It has brought so many pollinators that it's actually like ridiculous crazy how many they're here. We really want the clover to take over, and it is slowly taking over year by year, so I am perfectly fine. I just kind of weed whack around my pots so that they don't get a little overrun. Okay, so in this first garden bed, I have beans. I need to add another bean there since that one, when I transplanted it, didn't do well. Onions, bell peppers, and then like spicy peppers are right here. And then in the middle, I put a couple of pieces of ginger to see if those will grow. And our hope is, that these will grow up the trellis, and then the summer will be super nice. So I have more onions. In here was supposed to be another like green onion type, but they didn't seem to take. These didn't take either. They were tomatoes, but these are more beans, a different variety, and those are shallots there. So these I'm gonna have to redo. This bed is doing really well. This is a cucumber. I've never done cucumber before. These are two yellow cherry tomatoes, so they're doing well. They're already starting to get there on the vine. And then I have aromas, and which are my favorite. I have carrots here, radishes, spinach, and a random leaf that fell. And these are like my greens, like my lettuce and stuff. Okay, and in the buckets, these are all potatoes. So this is potatoes. These are all different varieties of potatoes. This one is supposed to be, I think, parsley. I can tell if parsley. It's just starting to finally grow. I gotta deweed it. These ones are so pretty, and they are purple potatoes. Very excited. So more potatoes. This was supposed to be sage, and for whatever reason it didn't take, so I'm gonna have to take all that grass out and do that. This is dill, and it was supposed to be two other types of herbs that don't seem to be growing, but weeds are growing in it. So I will replant those. It's early enough in the season. More potatoes, because you can get a lot of potatoes out, and they store fairly easy, and I'm hoping to get 2 rounds of potatoes out this summer so that I can not have to buy potatoes this year, or as many. It'd be really nice. And then there's my cilantro. So that is the overview of the garden, and I hope you like it, and I'll keep giving you guys updates. So that is what my garden looks like here in May at the beginning, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.